In today's tutorial, we will learn what a crypto debit card is and why you shouldn't just use your regular Visa card. And then, we will go over 4 different cards you may use right away. This is Clever Money's guide to crypto debit cards. If you want to see more videos like this, click the like and subscribe button below. Now without further ado, let us get started. In the real world, spending Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin can be quite difficult. Why can't you use your cryptocurrency to pay for a cappuccino? It is unfortunate, but it is true, that only a few stores and websites currently accept digital currency. There are a number of causes behind this. Retailers may be concerned about exchange rates, find the technology too complex to grasp, or believe there is a little demand for Bitcoin transactions. Thankfully, new technologies are beginning to emerge that address all of these issues, allowing businesses to accept digital currency as a payment option. Crypto debit cards is the moniker given to them. So what is a crypto debit card exactly? Cryptocurrency debit cards, like traditional debit or credit cards, let you to make day-to-day transactions with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other altcoins. Because many merchants have been launched in collaboration with Visa and MasterCard, you usually don't have to worry about if your physical card will be accepted by a merchant. This means they can be used in a wide range of situations. So here's how it works. First, you load your crypto debit card with the digital currency of your choice, which you usually do via a mobile app or a website. Many Bitcoin debit cards have higher spending limits and lower transaction fees than traditional debit cards. Let us say you finally obtain that long-awaited cappuccino with your crypto debit card. Once the transaction is completed, the card provider will convert the digital currency to cash, which means the coffee shop will receive your payment in fiat currencies like USD pounds or euros. So you might wonder, what is the point of using my regular Visa card? Well, that is an excellent question. Because the quick answer is that you will most likely receive some amazing benefits. When going outside of your native country, for example, crypto-focused goods can safeguard you from unfavorable currency rates. When using traditional Visa debit cards, you may find yourself paying exorbitant conversion fees when on vacation. When your dollars in a bank are converted to pounds or euros, you may end yourself paying exorbitant conversion fees. When compared to a crypto debit card, Bitcoin functions as a bridge between different fiat currencies, allowing you to save more money. Even if you don't travel abroad, there are still other benefits to owning a crypto debit card. As a result, standard credit cards frequently tack on a slew of fees. When you make a transaction at home or abroad, you may be required to pay a yearly membership fee or other costs. In general, crypto debit users will find their lives to be significantly less expensive. You will be able to withdraw money from ATMs using your crypto debit cards, and many items on the market also support Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Some credit cards include benefits such as access to airport lounges or rebates on purchases. As a result, it is worthwhile to shop around to find which one best matches your needs. These prepaid cards can also help people become more financially included because they can be set up without a bank account. Some items also come with a virtual card rather than a physical card, which makes them perfect for online purchases through PayPal and other e-commerce platforms. There are, of course, certain drawbacks. To gain access to the finest incentives, some providers will demand you to stake coins. And while your crypto debit card may be ideal for tiny daily transactions, it may not be the greatest method of payment if you are planning to buy a car or a yacht. There is also the problem of volatility to consider. The Bitcoin you will use to pay for a $1,000 vacation on your credit card now could be worth double that in the future. Perhaps it could crash. It is critical to conduct your own research into blockchain companies that offer cryptocurrency debit cards. They may be subject to regulation in the United States, Europe, Singapore, and elsewhere. and you will almost certainly have to complete and know your customer checks. On that topic, let's have a look at the four cards described above and see what the significant distinctions are. Now, keep in mind that this is only a brief tutorial and there are many more cards out there, so please always do your own research for your own safety. Let us take a look at Block Card, a US-based blockchain debit card startup that allows card holders to spend the value of their Bitcoin with the same ease as they would with standard credit cards. Block Card, which is available in both virtual and physical forms, enables no-fee deposits and withdrawals. Block Card is only available to residents of the United States, but the business anticipates that it will soon be available to cardholders in 31 European nations. Block Card also provides customers with free FDIC-insured bank accounts. Users with a bank account can rapidly convert crypto to fiat or fiat to crypto and make transactions from anywhere. So now let us talk about the prize. You can earn turn tokens as a Block Card holder by providing liquidity, spending money with the Block Card, or staking. And you can also receive rewards of up to 6.38% back on all purchases. Now let's talk about the fees. Block Card charges are extremely reasonable. If users do not meet the minimum spending limit of $750, they must incur a $5 monthly fee. There is no fee if you reach your spending limit, but there is a $10 issuance fee. $1 is paid for PIN transactions and $2 is charged for overseas PIN transactions. In addition, if you withdraw money from an ATM in the United States, the cash withdrawal cost is $3. Outside the United States, the cost is $3.50 with a maximum withdrawal of $500. Next is let's talk about Binance, which has grown to become one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Binance teamed with Swipe in 2020 to launch a Visa card that gives up to 8% cashback. There are no monthly costs with the Binance card, and transactions and ATM withdrawals are only charged a 0.9 transaction fee. The card supports 30 cryptocurrencies comparable to Coinbase, which we will discuss shortly. The Binance Visa card allows you to keep your cryptocurrency in your wallet and only convert what is required at the moment of purchase. The card can be used to make purchases in stores and online anywhere Visa is accepted. Similar to Crypto.com, you must take the BNB token, the exchange's native coin. The Binance card has 7 tiers, ranging from 0 BNB to 600 BNB. For instance, if you wager 10 BNB, you will receive 3 cashback. So next, let's take a look at Crypto.com. Cardholders may spend 90 cryptocurrencies and 20 or more fiat currencies any place a Visa card is accepted, thanks to Crypto.com's 5 different tiered metal debit cards. To get a Crypto.com debit card, you have to stake a certain amount of the company's native CRO coin, which was previously known as MCL. The stake amount starts at $0 and goes up to $400,000. The 5 categories each have their own set of benefits, such as discounts on certain services like Netflix or Spotify. The more CRO you stake, the higher the tier of your card can get, and the more benefits and perks you will be getting. The Indigo or J tier, for example, is one of the most popular Crypto.com cards. For this tier, you must take $4,000 in CRO and you will be receiving a 3% cashback and CRO rewards, as well as Netflix and Spotify rebates. You will also get access to an airport lounge and a free ATM withdrawal of up to $800 per month. You'll also be able to earn a greater APY on other currencies or tokens on the platform if you are in this tier than if you weren't. Coinbase is another of the world's most prominent exchanges. Coinbase cardholders can use their cryptocurrency anywhere that accepts Visa. The Coinbase card, unlike some of the other cards mentioned, does not have a minimum staking requirement. In terms of rewards, users can select between receiving 4% cashback in Stellar Lumens or 1% cashback in Bitcoin. With a press of a button, users can spend their stable coins, such as USDC, for which there are no fees or other specialized cryptocurrencies. Residents of the United Kingdom and Europe must pay a 4.95 euro Coinbase Card fee as well as a 2.49 cryptocurrency liquidation costs. Well, that is it for today, guys. And if you liked today's video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And please turn on our notifications so you won't miss anything from us. We will see you again in the next video and stay safe.